Essentials. And hey, what's going on, guys? It's the Bots Tutorials here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the Sign Shop plugin on my server, the Epic Gamer SMP, which I am currently on right now. Obviously, I don't know why I decided to say that. Probably because I'm dumb. So this plugin I have installed right now. I have it with Vault, Essentials, and also the Sign Shop plugin, which you have to have some form of economy plugin because Sign Shop just doesn't work by itself. I'm pretty sure it works with Vault and everything. So if you really want it step by step, I'll leave links to both Vault and Essentials in the description, and also Sign Shop, because you can never be too safe. So let's go ahead and get right into the tutorial. Let's grab a chest, which you're going to need to store your items. Grab a piece of redstone dust. Grab yourself a sign, because it is called Sign Shop. And whatever you want to sell. Let's say we wanted to sell a couple of iron, stacks of iron. So we're going to go ahead and put our chest down right here. We're going to shift click, put our sign down. Now there is two ways to do this. You could either use iBuy, which would make an admin shop, which only server owners could use, or server ops, so keep that in mind. And it makes it to where you could never have to restock your shop. You could only have your sign there forever, and people could just keep buying. So it's really useful if you wanted to make, like, let's say a dirt shop that only sells dirt for people to, like, have all the dirt that they need without going and mine several pieces of it, and you wanted to sell it from the server. So you want to make a sign like that where it says buy whatever you are selling on the second line, how much you are selling it, or how much you are selling of that particular item for, and then the price down at the bottom. Now, the really only thing that matters is this line and this line. The tag lines here don't really matter. You could literally switch this around if you wanted to. You could put 64 iron ingots for whatever. It doesn't really matter, but the only thing that matters is make sure that you get the top right and the bottom right. So we're gonna go ahead and put only however much we're selling here. So if we were selling 128, then we would put 2 stacks of iron in here. But we're only gonna put a stack of iron in first, because once we click it, see, it only says stack of iron ingots in there, and we're gonna go ahead and hit the sign right there. Now let's say that we messed up, right? We put let's make another sign real quick on here. Let's say we were selling still the same thing for this much, right? But instead of having instead of only having one ingot in here, sorry, I can't speak. Instead of only having one ingot here, we had all 3 of our stock put in right away. As soon as we hit it, look, guess what happens? 192 iron ingots are right there. And when we hit the sign, guess what? You're putting up for sale 192 for a sale at 200. So you're basically selling what would be a stack of iron for. You're selling 3 stacks of iron for $200, and you're really getting ripped off here. So yeah, you might want to watch out for that. But if you do it right, then if I right click the sign, see, it stays stuck like that. Now you can't really get rid of these shops, because if you do, it'll make it go like that. What you're gonna need is a golden axe. This is all by default, by the way. You could change all this in the config, but for me, I just like to keep it nice and simple. So for redstone dust will be the little activator thing that you need to do for the chest. Golden axe will be the default thing that you need to get rid of it. So if you wanted to get rid of it, boom, smack it like that, and the signs instantly go back to normal. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this super nice and sweet little tutorial. I did stutter a lot and like mess up my words, so I apologize for that. I'm just really slow. I am sorry. If you want to go ahead and subscribe, that would be very nice. Although I don't really ever post here, so if you would subscribe to my main channel where it is mainly gaming, and even on this server here, the Epic Gamer SMP, go ahead and subscribe for that. You don't have to, but it really would mean a lot to me. I'm trying to hit 2,000 subscribers pretty soon, so if you would do it, it'd be really big pog, and please, 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 I am begging here. But yeah, guys, I hope you did enjoy it. Make sure to follow my Twitch, because I also stream EG on there a lot, which is what this SMP is, for short, in case you guys didn't know. Yeah, hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial, and peace out. Hope you guys have a great day.